Hello everyone, welcome back again. The lesson of this video will still continue study present continuous tense present, like you see from the topic. Are you doing or are you doing? Are you doing or are you doing? In แล้วเจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดบ่เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดบ่ For the keyword red color count out in แล้ว it means ต่อ because it's not finished. So I continue create mini video to show you and let you follow and study by yourself. Are you ready? If you are ready, let us go and practice together. Let's go. We continue to talk about the short answers. Short answers in แล้ว it means คำตอบสั้นๆคำตอบสั้นๆ but different now. Different you can see from the keyword the red color negative negative in แล้วรูปแบบประโยคปฏิเสธรูปแบบประโยคปฏิเสธ of negative sentence. Now let us go see and practice the detail of this script. Start from number 1 for the left hand is for present, and for the right hand you can see from the color blue color is mean short answer negative. Let us go now practice together. Start from number 1 present. Am I doing? Am I doing? in แล้วคอยกำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่บ่คอยกำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่บ่คอยกำลังเฮ็ดอยู่บ่ like this. Short answer negative. Short answer negative. There are two answers. The first answer, no, you're not. No, you're not. Or second answer, no, you aren't. No, you aren't. in แล้วบ่เจ้าบ่เฮ็ดบ่เจ้าบ่เฮ็ด Next, number 2, present. Are you working? Or are you working? Are you working? Or are you working? in แล้วเจ้าทานกำลังเฮ็ดเวียกบ่เจ้าทานกำลังเฮ็ดเวียกบ่ Short answer negative. No, you're not. No, you're not. Or no, you aren't. No, you aren't. in แล้วบ่เจ้าบ่เฮ็ดบ่เจ้าหรือว่าทานบ่เฮ็ด Next, number 3, is he going? Is he going? These are for the present. in แล้วลาวผู้ชายกำลังไปบ่ลาวผู้ชายกำลังไปบ่ Short answer negative. No, he not. No, he's not. Or no, he isn't. Or no, he isn't. in แล้วบ่ลาวผู้ชายบ่ไปบ่ลาวผู้ชายบ่ไป Next, continue to number 4. Is it eating? Is it eating? This is for present. in แล้วมันกำลังกินบ่มันกำลังกินบ่ Short answer negative. No, is not. No, is not. Or no, it isn't. Or no, it isn't. in แล้วบ่มันบ่กินบ่มันบ่กิน You can see from the picture. Next, continue to number 5. Are you staying? Or are you staying? Are you staying? Or are you staying? This is for the present. in แล้วพวกเจ้าพวกทานกำลังพักบ่พวกเจ้าพวกทานกำลังพักบ่ Short answer negative. Short answer negative. No, we're not. No, we're not. Or no, we aren't. Or no, we aren't. in แล้วบ่พวกเฮาบ่พักบ่พวกเฮาบ่พัก Next, number 6. Is she going? Is she going? This is for the question. in แล้วลาวผู้หญิงกำลังไปบ่ ลาวผู้หญิงกำลังไปบ่ short answer negative no she's not no she's not or no she isn't or no she isn't in ลาว is mean บ่ลาวผู้หญิงบ่ไปบ่ลาวผู้หญิงบ่ไป next number 7 question first are you writing or are you writing are you writing or are you writing in ลาวพวกเจ้าพวกท่านกำลังเขียนบ่พวกเจ้าพวกท่านกำลังเขียนบ่ short answer negative the second no we're not no we're not or no we aren't or no we aren't in ลาวบ่พวกเขาบ่เขียนบ่พวกเขาบ่เขียน sorry I add my two sorry okay there is no okay next number 8 question are they sleeping or are they sleeping are they sleeping or are they sleeping short answer negative no they're not no they're not or no they aren't or no they aren't in ลาวบ่พวกเขาบ่นอนบ่พวกเขาบ่นอน next number 9 first question start the first question start from question first are they crying or are they crying are they crying or are they crying in ลาวพวกเขากำลังร้องไห้บ่พวกเขากำลังร้องไห้บ่ short answer negative no they're not no they're not or no they aren't or no they aren't in ลาวบ่พวกเขาบ่ร้องไห้ ladies เนาะบ่พวกเขาบ่ร้องไห้ or บ่พวกเขาบ่ you can answer next number 10 question are you enjoying or are you enjoying are you enjoying or are you enjoying in ลาวพวกเขาsorry พวกเจ้าพวกท่านกำลังม่วนบ่พวกเจ้าพวกท่านกำลังม่วนบ่ short answer negative no we're not no we are not or no we aren't or no we aren't in ลาวบ่พวกเฮาบ่ม่วนบ่พวกเฮาบ่ม่วน thank you very much break here for this video thank you very much all of you follow and subscribe all of my video to encourage me to create the new video for you thank you